Hello guys, welcome to our new channel. In today's video we are going to discuss a very common issue that users found in Google Play Store, that is checking info loop error. So, if you are also struggling with the same problem, then this video is going to be a savior for you. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix Google Play Store checking info loop error with 5 best fixes. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Google Play Store error mainly arises due to unstable internet connection. So, if you are having any kind of network issues on your device, then this is the reason for checking info error. You can fix it by trying some basic tips like turn off and turn on the mobile data, switch from mobile data to the Wi-Fi connection, enable and disable the airplane mode. Solution 2. Clear Google Play Store cache and data. Temporarily stored data, which is supposed to help Google Play Store run faster, can sometimes get corrupted and shows different errors, including checking info loop. So, simply clear the cache of the Google Play app to fix it. For this, you need to navigate to Settings, then Apps and Notifications. Here you will see all apps and find the Google Play Store. On the Apps page, choose Storage, and then Clear Storage or Clear Data. Finally, restart your phone. Solution 3. Reset device date and time on Android. Settings of the time and date are one of the most natural things. But, when you fail to do so, you might face some issues, including Google Play error checking info. So, in this case, you have to reset the device date and time via settings to fix it. For this, you have to go to the Settings app. Next, scroll down to the Date and Time category and click on it. Here check for your device date and time. If not, click on the Change Date and Time option, and toggle on the button for Set Time Zone automatically. Now, reboot your Android device and check if Google Play Store error checking info is solved or not. Solution 4. Remove your Google account and add it again. Another way that you can try is to remove your Google account from the device, which will delete all the associated app files and caches causing checking info error. To do so, you have to open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down to locate Accounts and Sync. Tap on Google. To remove the account, click on More and tap on Remove Account. Your Google account and all its associated file data will be deleted. Sign into your account again by tapping on Google and adding your account. Solution 5. Uninstall Google Play app updates. The last solution that you can try to solve checking info loop error is to uninstall the Google Play Store app updates. To do so, you have to open your Settings app, Apps/Applications or App Management, then tap on App List. Now search for the Google Play Store app. Here, you will get 3 dots icon at the top right corner of your phone's screen. Tap on it. Here, you will see Uninstall Updates option. Tap on it. So, this is all about fixing Google Play Store checking info error on Android. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with others. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.